हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो आप सब लोग? आई होप कि आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे। चलो तो हम आज चालू कर रहे हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। और वैसे तो पहला पार्ट हो चुका है अपना, ठीक है। सो आज सेकंड पार्ट है अपना पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का, मैथ्स पार्ट सेकंड का। ये सेकंड लेसन है पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। फर्स्ट लेसन हमने सीखा था एंड देन सेकंड लेसन है अपना पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। पाइथागोरस थ्योरम के बारे में हमने फर्स्ट लेक्चर में बहुत सारा डिस्कशन किया है, राइट। पाइथागोरस थ्योरम जो एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में यूज करते हैं, उसके लिए जो हमने देखा था कि पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट कैसे फाइंड करना है, वो वाला ट्रिक है, ठीक है। एंड पाइथागोरस थ्योरम के बारे में थोड़ा सा देखा। तो हमें आज यहाँ पे देखना है प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 30 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री ट्रायंगल। ओके, 30, 60 एंड 90 डिग्री मेजर के ट्रायंगल है आपके पास। सपोज एक ट्रायंगल है, नेम ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इज ट्रायंगल एबीसी, राइट। So this one is one triangle ABC, and in this triangle, angle B is equal to 90 degree, which is right angle triangle. Okay, and another two angles are, one is of 30 degree and second one is 60 degree. These two are the acute angles, and this one is the 90 degree angles, right angle, right now. So 30, 60 and 90, in which in the triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30, angle B is equal to 90, angle C is equal to 60 degree. Now the property of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle is, so मैं यहाँ पे property लिख लेता, if the angles of a triangle, if the angles of a triangle is, if the angles of a triangle is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, then these two words are very important, if and then, right? If and then क्या आगे मैं क्या लिख देता, पहला if से लेके then तक का पार्ट जो है, if the angles of a triangle is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, then the side opposite to, then the side opposite to the 30 degree, then the side opposite to the 30 degree is 1/2 to the hypotenuse, 1/2 the hypotenuse. यहाँ पे देखो half the hypotenuse. Then the side opposite to 30 degree is half the hypotenuse, and side opposite to 60 degree and side opposite to 60 degree is √3/2 the hypotenuse, √3/2 the hypotenuse. Okay, so this is the statement of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle. So the statement says that if the angles of a triangle is 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, then the side opposite to 30 degree, side opposite to 30 degree, okay, side opposite to 30 degree is half the hypotenuse. 30 degree की opposite वाली side कैसे होती है? half होती है hypotenuse की. In this triangle, AC is the hypotenuse, right? Because AC is side opposite to angle 90 degree. So this is hypotenuse. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है आपने? 30 degree. Side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. Okay, and side opposite to 60 degree is √3/2 times the hypotenuse. √3/2 times the hypotenuse. So in this triangle ABC, so write down here, in triangle ABC, okay, in this triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle B is equal to, sorry, angle C देता मैं पहले 60 वाला, angle C is equal to 60 degree and angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now according to this theorem, side opposite to 30 degree, which side is opposite to 30? BC is opposite to 30. So here BC is equal to, that side BC is equal to half the hypotenuse. Half of the hypotenuse means half into AC. AC का half, hypotenuse कौन है? AC, right? So इस टाइप आपको करना है यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे लिखना है side opposite टू 30 डिग्री, साइड अपोजिट टू 30 डिग्री लिखना है यहाँ पे, सिंपली लिखना है साइड अपोजिट टू 30 डिग्री इज BC and we know that according to the theorem BC is half to the hypotenuse. Okay, now the next one is now side opposite to 60 degree. Which side is opposite to 60? This AB is opposite to 60. So write down here AB is equal to that side opposite to 60 degrees root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. So root 3 by 2 into the hypotenuse. Into hypotenuse, which is hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse. So write down here AC and write down side opposite to 60 degree. Side opposite to 60 degree. So this is the property of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So very easy and simple. ओनली आपको याद में रखना है 30 डिग्री के अपोजिट वाली साइड हाफ रहती है हाइपोटेनस की, 60 डिग्री के अपोजिट वाली साइड कैसे रहती है √3 by 2 times the hypotenuse रहती है. These are the main things in this theorem. Okay, now the next property is property of 45 degree 90 degree triangle. 45 degree 90 degree triangle. So what is the property? Now आपको एक ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. Suppose there is one triangle PQR. Okay. The name of the given triangle is PQR, and in this triangle, one angle is of 90 degree and remaining two are of 45 degree. So remaining two are acute angle, right? This is acute angle. This is also acute angle, and one is right angle. So what is the property of 45, 90 degree? So write down here, if the angles of a triangle are 45 degree and 90 degree, right? 45 degree and 90 degree, then so in this statement there is also two words, one is if and then next one is then. Okay, these two words are very important. So if the angles of a triangle is 45 and 90 degree, then side opposite to 45 degree is 1 upon root 2 the hypotenuse. 1 upon root 2 the hypotenuse. Okay. So this is this statement. Side opposite to 40 degree कितना रहेगा वो 1 upon root 2 of the hypotenuse, right? So which side is opposite to 45? QR and second one is PR. So यहाँ पे लिखना है therefore in triangle PQR angle P is equal to 45 degree, angle R is equal to 45 degree, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. In this triangle, these are the given angles. And what is the sides? Which sides? This QR and this one is PQ. So PQ is equal to QR. Both are equal, and both are equal to 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is PR. So PR. Okay, which is hypotenuse? Here hypotenuse is PR. So write down simply here. Side opposite to 45 degree. Side opposite to 45 degree. So this is very simple, right? So आपको ऐसे लिखना है यहाँ पे, and याद में रखना है कि 45 डिग्री की अपोजिट वाली साइड कितनी रहती है 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse, and side opposite to 30 degree is 1 upon 2 only, 1 upon 2 the hypotenuse, and side opposite to 60 degree is √3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. So these are the properties about the right angle triangle, means 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree property, and next one is 45 and 90 degree property. Okay, so our next topic is similarity in right angle triangle, right? So the next topic, तो हमें आगे बढ़ना है similarity in right angle triangle. चलो तो next topic पढ़ेंगे. Name of the next topic is similarity and right angle triangle. Similarity and right angle triangle. And right angle triangle. Okay, so this is the next topic. ये वाला हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे, थ्योरम लिखेंगे. पहला है इफ इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. तो थ्योरम है वो देखेंगे फर्स्ट. थ्योरम इन ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, इन ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, ट्रायंगल लिखो डायरेक्टली. इन ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, to the hypotenuse, in a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles form, then the two triangles form are similar to original triangle, and similar to each other, Okay, so this is the statement of the given theorem. So the given theorem says that statement of given theorem is in a right angle triangle. So there is one right angle triangle. If the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, right? So what is the altitude? Altitude means one type of height. Altitude and height both are the same. So draw one right angle triangle here. In a right angle triangle बोला है तो right angle triangle draw करना पड़ेगा आपको. So ABC, your favorite ABC. In this triangle, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay. And if the altitude, where is there and then there, right? If the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, now altitude drawn to the hypotenuse is AC, and opposite to the AC there is one vertex B. From this B we draw and one altitude, and altitude is always perpendicular to the opposite side to this. Okay. So this is the altitude. Altitude is always perpendicular. So where is point B point? Say that point is B point. Then two triangles form are similar to original triangles. Then two triangles are formed means triangle number 1, triangle number 2. These triangles are similar to original triangle ABC. This triangle ADB is similar to ABC, and triangle BBC is also similar to triangle ABC, and both are similar to each other also. So this theorem says that this. Okay. Now the given, write down the given things. What are the given things? What are the given things in triangle ABC? In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle B is equal to 90 degree, and segment BD is perpendicular to, and segment BD is perpendicular to hypotenuse AC. Hypotenuse AC. BD is perpendicular to hypotenuse AC. So what we have to prove here? We have to prove that. क्या प्रूव करना है आपको? There are three things. One is triangle ADB. This is the first triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC, similar to original triangle ABC. First triangle is similar to ABC. Second triangle is also similar to ABC. Write down second triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC. And now this first and second both are similar to one another. So third thing is triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC. Triangle BDC. Okay. So these three things we have to prove. तो चलो हम इसको प्रूव करेंगे. कैसे प्रूव करना है आगे चले इसका प्रूफ देखेंगे. राइट. So this is very simple. How can you prove that theorem? सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल है। देखिए फर्स्ट क्या करना है आपको, प्रूफ देखना है। फर्स्ट तो गिवन लिखना है, गिवन के बाद प्रूफ लिखना है। आप 9th स्टैंडर्ड में सीखो थ्योरम कैसे सॉल्व करना होता है। पहले अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टेटमेंट ड्रॉ वन फिगर एंड देन राइट डाउन द गिवन थिंग्स एंड राइट डाउन द हाउ we have to prove, right? What we have to prove? These few things we have to prove. So proof. In this proof, okay. So there are two triangles. Write down what? Write down here ADB and second one is ABC. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC, this first. Okay, first one. So in this triangle. In triangle ADB, one angle D is R of 90 degree. So write down here angle ADB, right now ADB का 90 डिग्री D एंगल, ABC का कौन सा है B एंगल, कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल ABC. Write down here each 90 degree, each 90 degree. Write down ADB का D एंगल 90 डिग्री का है फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल का, एंड एबीसी ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल का बी एंगल 90 डिग्री, एबीसी का बी एंगल 90 डिग्री, एंड ए एंगल कैसे है, दोनों में भी कॉमन एंगल है. ए डी बी में भी ए आता है, ए बी सी में भी ए आता है. ओके, सो ए एंगल इज आल्सो कॉमन एंगल. सो मैं कैसे लिख रहा था इसको, डी ए बी, यहाँ पे देखो डी ए बी लिख रहा हूं मैं, एंगल डी ए बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल. अब आप ही सोचो, इसका डी ए बी लिख लिया यहाँ पे डी ए बी, तो इसका बी ए सी लिखना पड़ेगा, एंगल बी ए सी. तो क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे, कॉमन एंगल. क्या लिखना है, कॉमन एंगल. ओके, देयरफॉर ट्रायंगल ADB is similar to triangle ABC. By which test? Angle test of similarity. देखो यहाँ पे y एंगल टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी, एंगल टेस्ट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी, एंड से दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Say this equation number 1. Now consider these two triangles. Now in triangle BDC and triangle ABC, original triangle ABC. Write down here. In triangle BDC means second number triangle. Angle D is equal to 90 degree. So write down here angle BDC congruent to angle in triangle ABC. Which angle is 90 degree? B angle is 90 degree. So angle ABC, both are equal. Why? Because each 90 degree, right? And there is also one common angle in triangle ABC. There is angle C, and in triangle BDC there is also angle C. So angle C is common in both the triangles. Okay, common in both the triangles. So I write here angle DCB. DCB, DCB similar to, congruent to DCB, BCA, angle BCA. Why? Common angle, because common angle. Therefore these two triangles, triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC. Say this equation number 2. By which test? Angle test of similarity. Angle test of similarity. Okay, from 1 and 2 there is one angle. There is one triangle ABC. There is also triangle ABC. But in this statement 1, triangle ABC is similar to ADB, and statement number 2, triangle ABC is similar to BDC. Right now, suppose एक दूसरे का फ्रेंड है एंड दूसरा तीसरे का फ्रेंड है. सो एक फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड दोनों भी आपस में कैसे फ्रेंड है. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है, फ्रॉम 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get आपको क्या मिलेगा, ADB, triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC, but ABC is similar to triangle BDC. ABC is similar to triangle BDC. Therefore, triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Is similar to triangle BDC. These two are similar to one another. Why? Transitivity property. Transitivity. Okay. Transitivity property. Property of similarity. Property of similarity. ऐसा लिखना है आपको यहाँ. ठीक है. So what you have to do? ADB similar to BDC. ये वाला दिखाना था. तो यहाँ देखो कि आपने BDC and ABC. यहाँ पे लिखा BDC and ABC. Both are similar. And ADB and ABC. These two are also similar. तो इस प्रकार आपको करना था. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी तरह से समझ में आया होगा. नहीं आया तो फिर से एक बार रिवाइज कर लीजिए, फिर से एक बार ट्राई कर लीजिए, फिर एक बार वीडियो देख लीजिए, फिर आपको अच्छी तरह से समझ में आएगा. ठीक है. तो इस प्रकार करना था. पहले 30 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री की प्रॉपर्टी, देन 45, 45, 90 डिग्री की प्रॉपर्टी, एंड देन सिमिलरिटी एंड राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल का ये वाला थ्योरम. ठीक है. चलो तो दोस्तों, आपको स्टडी के लिए बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी.